Understanding, Tend to the Animals, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, tend to the animals. Understanding phrases like this is key to mastering the language, especially if you're interested in topics related to farming, pet care, or wildlife conservation. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Tend to the animals is a phrase that combines two important components, tend to and the animals. First, let's understand what each part means. Tend to is a verb phrase that means to care for or look after someone or something. It implies giving attention to the needs or requirements of the subject in question. The animals refers to any group of animals that the speaker is discussing. These could be farm animals, pets, or wild animals in a conservation area. Putting it together, tend to the animals means to care for, look after, or give attention to the needs of animals. To fully grasp the meaning of tend to the animals, let's look at some examples. 1. In a farming context, every morning, the farmer goes out to tend to the animals, ensuring they have enough food and water. 2. In a household setting, before going to work, I always tend to the animals at home, feeding the dog and cleaning the cat's litter box. 3. In wildlife conservation, the rangers tend to the animals in the park, monitoring their health and protecting them from poachers. These examples show that tend to the animals can be used in various contexts, always implying some form of care or attention towards animals. Understanding related phrases can help you better grasp the concept of tending to animals. Here are a few. Take care of the animals, similar to tend to the animals, it emphasizes providing for the animals' needs. Look after the animals, this also means to care for animals, highlighting ongoing support and supervision. Care for the animals, this phrase focuses on providing affection and attention to the well-being of animals. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to tend to the animals, and how you can use this phrase in different contexts. Remember, learning phrases like these can significantly enhance your English vocabulary and help you communicate more effectively about a wide range of topics. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you with more English language tips in our next video. Goodbye for now, and keep practicing.